So today I'm going to show you my go-to concealers, and these are the ones that I literally reach for every single time.
One look and I breathe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tammy. If you're not new, welcome back. So in my last Valentine's makeup video, someone asked me what concealers do I use, and I realized I use the same concealer pretty much every time, whether I'm wearing full face or everyday makeup. So today I'm going to show you my go-to concealers for everyday makeup, brightening, full glam, and even cleaning up my brows. And these are the ones that I literally reach for every single time. So I'm not applying makeup today because obviously I already have my face done, but I will be doing some swatches so you can see how everything looks on my skin tone. I'm going to be talking about my favorites from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and when I'm feeling a little fancy, from Lancôme. So let's first talk about my everyday staples, e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I have here the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealers. These right here are my staples, everyday staples, especially this one right here. These are the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and these are satin finish. I believe e.l.f. makes the matte one, but I prefer this one because I have dry skin. So if we're skin texture, skin tone, and skin type twin, this is worth getting for your stash. So I use 3 shades. The shades that I always use whenever I'm either doing a full glam or in everyday are these 3 shades. The first shade that I definitely use every single day, especially for my eyebrows, is the one called Rich Walnut. Now, I don't think you can find this in store, but you can definitely order this on the e.l.f. app, e.l.f. website, and probably on Amazon, but I get mine directly from the e.l.f. app. What I love about these is that they're affordable, they're creamy, but still give coverage, and they don't make my under eyes look dry, which is very important for me. So let me break down how I use these 3 here, because I don't use them all the same way. First, I'm going to talk about the deep cinnamon and the deep chestnut. This is the deep cinnamon, and this is deep chestnut. I use these for brightening. Deep cinnamon is right here, deep chestnuts right here. I'm actually wearing them right now. So for these 2 here, I use it under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, on my chin. Sometimes I put it right here on the top of my lip too, just if I want a little bit of brightening. So if you want a softer everyday look, I would go with the deep cinnamon right here. And if you want more of a brighter, under eye and whatnot, then I will go with the deep chestnut, which is this one right here. So those are the ones that I use for when I want a little bit more of a full glam and a little bit more of brightness. All right, Rich Walnut. This one is my spot concealer. I love this Rich Walnut right here. I'm going to swatch it for you. And that's it on my skin tone. I hope you could see it because it's literally really like close to my skin tone. This is Rich Walnut right here. I use it for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and any areas where I need like to even out. I usually, whenever I'm not wearing like a full face, I will use it to cover a little bit of the dark spots like that I have right here and just blend it in, and I'm good to go all day. Sometimes I don't even set it. It just stays that way because I like that glowy satin look. I love this shade because it blends so well with my skin tone. It doesn't look ashy when I apply it. It doesn't look gray. It just melts right into my skin, like I said. Right there, see? It just melts right into my skin, and I love, love, love that. I hope e.l.f. never stopped making this because I may have to search for another, skin tone type concealer, but I love this for everyday use, especially because they are very affordable. I've also mentioned before to you guys that I use Rich Walnut for my brows. I use it for my brows to clean up my brows, and I used it today as well. It gives my brows that natural clean finish while it still defines my brow. I love that. So whenever I use this, it pulls my makeup or my natural look together without doing too much. I just love it. This is like my go-to. That's why I reach for this. I use this every single day. Now, when I'm feeling a little fancy and I want to do a little bit of, something, I reach for my Lancôme Teint Idôle. That's this right here. This is the Lancôme Teint Idôle Ultra Wear All Over Concealer, and this is in the shade 530. I'm gonna swatch this for you. This is a little bit more high-end. It also gives a little bit more full coverage. I'm gonna put that over here. It also gives that extra smooth and flawless finish. This is the Lancôme. It's so hard to see them because these are like my go-to shades for like skin tone, but this is Lancôme. I love this. I use this mainly for full glam and when I want my skin to look like really, really good. The pricing for these are different. Obviously, I believe this Lancôme concealer goes for $32. So the e.l.f. Hydrating concealer are $8 each, which is a whole lot different from the Lancôme, but they're both worth it. I love using these. These are really, really, really good concealers. If I had to compare both concealers, I would say that e.l.f. is obviously perfect for everyday use because it's also affordable, it's reliable, and it also gives you that clean, put together look. So I would definitely start with this. If you're more budget leaning, then start with the e.l.f. And then also for Lancôme, if you're like just looking for a good concealer that's also reliable, it's more luxury feeling, it has a smoother finish, also better for full glam or special occasions. So I would definitely recommend the Lancôme. I use these concealers pretty much for almost all my foundations and they work very well with them. I like to keep my routine very simple. I don't feel like you need a million concealers, but you need the right shades that work for different things. For like brightening, you need the right shade for brightening. You need the right shade for spot concealing, so for defining. So once you find that right shade, it shouldn't really matter what brand, but I will say these ones here have not let me down. Once you find the right shades in whatever brand, stick to that, then your makeup routine becomes so much easier. So let me know in the comment section below, what concealers are you currently using? Do you have your go-to or are you still looking for your go-to concealers? Do you prefer bright under eye or do you like more natural, look? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're looking or hunting for concealers, I will start with one of these. Also, if you want to see me do a full face routine using my concealers, my go-tos, let me know also in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
One love.